so we no go fit chop sometimes.
No dey around na.
Everywhere
Palace that day o. Everywhere palace.
no be everybody dey.
Everybody dey.
You dey there.
Me, I did.
You dey there.
I did.
You come tell me where I don't ask people like that, they don't dey there.
I did.
Na that kind thing you dey always do.
I don't go dey care.
Measuring tape. Why am I measuring tape? Since you are not using it, so assuming it's in flat top like this, you can even put all the panels up. Then you start as you are nailing it. Then you do your arrangement. So now it will be like this. Oh, this for the sun. Because of the sun. Let's say the distance of these two rooms like this. So from here to this place is 32 inches. Okay, this one is longer. This 39. So there's 39. Here now, because of you go to use, you are not locking it. When you are doing it permanent, there is a lock you put here. So there will be a little
No,
space.
you can use the aluminium. You measure, you guys do it. You measure.
So from here now, for where this is, you measure to 39. Here is 39. This 39. No. This 39. The next release, the next rack you will do. This is up, cut, you understand? So from here to here now is about 1. You can cut 1 in case of 2 to 2. Then same way. You nail. But before you nail, there is something we normally use. We call it flash band. That flash band, you use it. You use that flash band on the rooftop so that there will be no leakage. And note, you don't nail this part of the roof. It should come up. You see that this one is the one the water flows through. Yeah. You don't use this one, the water flows through. Yeah. You use this one that the water does not flow through. Is the one you will use.
You want to use how many panels?
It's 4 panels. 1, 2, 3. The last one.
Let's go 15.
No. Now start
It's good now. What's in there now? If you not for ground, you want ground. Put out for the middle. Middle.
can leave this one.
No, check that one. This thing first.
Then take it in. So the small stuff I will do.
Méjìlá máa lò fún gbogbo ẹ̀.
Méjì lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ méjì lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́. So at each of the ends, come and lock. So it locks at the end. But you must measure it to get the same height.
That the panel.
Then the àwọn kan wà tó máa ń ta aluminium. There are some people that sell aluminium like that. You can peel the wire. You can just peel it.
So,
Leave
her.
Okay.
We'll use knife. We'll use this knife.
Yes.
And you don't nail. See.